morning, students. Am I audible? Fine. So, in our previous session, we have started unit number 3, unit number 6, self-development and assessment. But before we begin today's session, just a second. Shreya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So, Shreya, can you please open the session?
Yes, ma'am. So, good morning, all of you. In previous lecture, we learned about record and remember. So, record is something which sustains whatever one encounters in writing, reinform the information for future with importance. It also helps one to share, find, and reuse the information with retaining trustworthy information. It also protects individuals' risk. And remember is used for encoding and enriching the information in long-term memory. Memorization is the important key of remembrance. Basis of good memory is healthy mind and body. Then we went through some ways to improve our ways, which include to eat well, to drink plenty of water, to have enough sleep, manage stress effectively, and lastly, we should use mnemonics to retain information. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shreya. Just a second. So thank you so much, Shreya, for sharing today's previous session summary. And today, what we are going to learn is today we are going to see we are going to continue with our previous session, and we are going to learn the topic Excel, think, communicate, relate, and read. So let's begin our today's session. The first is access. Just a second. So this for this assessment, sorry, not exercise, assessment. In this assessment, uh, we will take this topic later on, because the reason is that there is a one activity that we will do. So right now, we will take it at the end. Right now, we are not going to touch this topic, fine, and we are skipping this topic, and it will be taken at the end. So because we have to do this activity, so that's why. So we are going to start with think. So first is think. Thinking is, you can say, one of the most important tool of personality development. And thinking here can be defined as knowing the prevalence facts and furthering the ideas. This is not, you can say, just restricted to a straight way thinking. It means you can say thinking about something from various different angles, which in other words can be termed as critical thinking. So, critical thinking is about making informed, enlightened, educated, open minded decision in any field, whether it is profession, relationship, or you can say finance, or you can say life. And I'm not going to deep into the critical thinking, because we have already seen critical thinking. But in short, I can say that critical thinking can serve us, you can say, in many areas, as professional, or you can say citizen in the society. As a professional, it can help you focus on issue and get the relevant and accurate information, and remember facts, organize thoughts logically. It helps us to analyze questions and problems and manage our priorities at the same time. It can, you can assist in your our problem solving skills, and it will help us to control our emotions, so that we can make, you can say, a rational judgment It can help, you can say, one to detect bias, and you can say determine the relevance of, you can say, argument and persuasion. So you can see that that critical thinking skill is all about, you can say, something from various different angles. So it enhances our thinking skill, and that we have already seen our previous session, critical thinking skill. It means unit number when we were dealing with critical and creative thinking skill. That at that time we have seen. So I'm not going to deep into this. Now next is how to evolve critical thinking. So for this thing, if you wish to, you can say, begin building and expanding our, you can say, critical, or you can say, thinking skill, then we need to, you can say, consider this kind of steps. The first is, you can say, restrain emotions. Second is look at things differently. So we have to see the same thing with a different angle, and it should be free from our personal emotions, or you can say biasness. Analyze the information, whatever information we have to analyze this thing. Ask the question. As we have seen, we need to ask the question that uh, what is the good thing, or you can say what is the bad thing, or you can say what is harm, what is benefit, and what kind of nature of harm, or you can say benefit. Next is, then after we have to solve the problem. Then after, distinguish fact from opinion. So we need to come to the, you can say, fact instead of opinion, that what I'm thinking or what he or she is thinking. Instead of this thing, it is better that we need to focus on fact. And the last is seek truth in argument and persuasion. And then after, it is important to seek the truth in argument, or you can say persuasion. So these are some, you can say, steps that through which one can evolve the critical thinking skill. And let me know that whether this statement is true or false. The statement is true or false. So excellent, all of you. That the statement is completely, you can say, false. That critical thinking skills are required only in few professions. The statement is completely false. False because it's required in each and every profession. So the statement is false, and all of you answered exactly right. Now the next is communicate. So as we all know that it is an, you can say, all provided, the fact that communication is the, you can say, lifeblood of any of the organization and relationship, be it formal or you can say informal. And there is a one line, a famous line, you can say, said by Stephen R. Covey, that communication is simply mutual understanding. I completely agree with this line, that it is just, it is a mutual understanding, because communication helps people to express their ideas and feelings, and at the same time it helps us to understand emotions and thoughts of others. So apart from, you can say, playing in a significant role in our daily life, communication skills help in the business, in, you can say, in innumerable ways. And all the business activities, be it marketing, selling, human resource management, or you can say managing customers relations. All these things require a good communication skill. So it is, I can say, communication skills are important. You can say to living a happy and prosperous life. And effective communication includes honesty, truth, bonding, sharing, care, friendship between various types of communities, religion, and people. So, effective communication skills align all the people in one direction that inspire development, you can say, in society, culture, and you can say economic activities. So, communication skills not only include the oral expression style, but it also you can include body language, which too communicates and creates some meaning. As we have seen that our facial expression, our eyes, they speaks more than words. So these are also the part of you can say part of good communication skills. So this is the you can say skill of communication. Communication you can say help to build an image of an individual. So good communicator would know how to you can say communicate with different groups and communities. So it would help you can say create an image of being humble and great, and at the same time rude. So proficient verbal skill, you can say, can make thousands of friends, and on the contrary, a sharp tongue can make you can say thousands of enemies at the same time. So it is about you can say how and when you use it. So for example, you can say in anger, if we forgot about the words and vocabulary, and we do not care about such a situation for rude behavior with other people, then we do not care about we can say our parents, our teachers, our relatives, our friends, at the same time our customers, our employees, and so you can say anyone in the anger. So and in this anger we use the words that you can say hurt people from inside. So that's why you can say that this kind of rudeness, anger, you can say, or aggressiveness in communication is a bad communication skill, and that can convert and you can say honest friend into an enemy. And that is why it is important to remain calm in negative situation. So there are you can say some importance of communication skills that definitely you can say help us. First is communication builds the character, definitely, because as I told you that it helps us to you can say if we how we speak, that also important. Communication skills creates and you can say create and strengthen friendship. Completely you can say you can say I agree because if how you are if you have a good communication skill, then you have observed that those who are good with communication skill, they have a many friends in their life. It also you can say communication skills are important for career development. Definitely, good communication skills give you can say good opportunities, or you can say many opportunities. It is is important in business, definitely, and strong foundation of organization because it helps us to uh, create a bond between two parties and strengthen professional relationships. But obviously, it helps us to you can say, strengthen the professional relationship, and it important to you can say become a leader, or you can say help to become educated, or you can say learned person. Now let me know this whether this statement is true or false. So excellent, all of you. Good communication skills behind professional relationship and lie a weak foundation to any organizations. The statement is completely false because instead of weaken, you can say strengthen. So that is why, or you can say poor communication skill weaken the professional relationship, or you can say good communication skill strengthen professional relationship. Sorry. So the statement is false, and all of you answers exactly right. Now the next is relate. So as we all know that life is all about, you can say, relationship between people and people, between, you can say, people and nature, or you can say between people and environment. So people, you can say, do not live in vacuum, and we are the sum total of all of our relationship and form our you can say different identities thereby. So our mental health and personal well-being are, you can say, tied up in the quality of our personal relationship. The more closely we are connected to the people we love, or you can say the happier we feel, and the more personal satisfaction we have in our lives. So the most people, we can say, rate moments of connection and share enjoyment with their loved ones as their, you can say, most important life experiences. So such important, you can say, relationship not only includes family and personal friend, but also the wider group of groups and communities we belongs to. So forming connection and a sense of community with work colleagues, or you can say neighbors, and the various groups that make up our identity, such as sports hobbies, or you can say religions, and you can say community groups, so this and so on. So all contribute to our, you can say, well-being. So forming a sense of belonging with other people around a shared, you can say, mission or identity is a major contributor to our sense of personal meaning in life. So our, you can say, personal resilience in, you can interwoven into resilience of the communities to which we belong. It is from the web of our, you can say, relationships and connections with the other people that we draw our strength. So such communities can lift us when we are down and give us the capacity to deal with whatever challenges come our way. And it is thus very important to continuously attend to and nurture our relationship with the important people in lives, as well as taking time to strengthen the communities to which we belong. So to attending, you can say attending to important relationship, there are some steps you can say. So the two, you can say, major challenges in maintaining close personal relationships are not, you can say, putting time into the relationship and not dealing constructively with conflict, but you can say being proactive in our personal relationship and attending to them is a key to keep them happy, supportive, or you can say personally satisfying. So there are, you can say, tips, or you can say steps to maintain healthy and happy important relations. So first is take time, next is be present and express appreciation, listen and learn to communicate and apologize and forgive. So there are some, you can say tips that definitely help us to relate, or you can say to form relationships. Next is attending to the communities we belong. So when we belong to, you can say, functional communities, it is very, you can say, easy to assume that it will always be supportive and always be there for us. So, but I can say just like families and you can say personal relationships, all the groups and organizations that you can say belong to need to be nurtured. So if you belong to community, take time to improve it. So we have to improve it by, you can say, giving time as volunteer and taking on a supportive role, and at the end assuming a leadership role. So it is our duty that definitely we also give them return something, give them back. So definitely we can nurture the relationship, or you can say community, in that way. Now let me know whether this statement is true or false. Yeah, what would be the answer, all of you? So excellent, all of you. The statement is, the communities to which one belongs would be always supportive if one nurtures it properly. The statement is true, exactly true, and all of you answer exactly right. Now let's move ahead. And our next topic is dream. So as you can see that we all know about dreaming, because dreams are, you can say, as I just heard this line, that dreams are, you can say, today's answers to tomorrow's questions. I just got this message, and this is in WhatsApp, and this is also completely applicable here, that dreams are today's, you can say, answers to tomorrow's questions. Because dream is, you can say, important because it is the thought you are having for your future, and dreaming is to, you can say, desire for something very new and essential for your life. It ensures the high level of excitement, and thus you stay highly focused to accomplish your goals, both in your personal and professional life. It brings, you can say, positivity in yourself, and thus you deal with every challenges successfully, both in, you can say, your personal as well as professional life. It also, you can say, gets you mentally strong to, you can say, mark your strong existence in any particular field, and especially for students are, you can say, are the ones, you can say, who should big dream big, and it is the key to get success for them, because it is very important to have some kind of dream, because then only you get your desired goal, you get, you can say, you work to fulfill this dream into reality. Now there are some reasons, you can say, to dream big. So you can see that you can definitely uh, you can say, generate higher level of excitement and anticipation. So dreaming is to, you can say, desire for something very new and essential for your life, It ensures the high level of excitement and thus you stay highly focused to accomplish your goals both in your personal as well as professional life. Uh, you can say we should dream because you can say you find your abilities to deal with various challenges. So as you can say dream big, so you set a goal for it, and with that you explore your abilities to accomplish your goal successfully. Your abilities enable you to you can say, handle all kinds of challenges in your life, and it means that you should start dreaming. Right now I'm telling that you should start dreaming. Dreaming big, dreaming means dreaming big, and it leads you to the find your abilities that help you a lot throughout your life. So that's why it helps us, you can say that, to build our abilities in various challenges. Now, next is it you can say helps overcome limiting belief, because you overcome limiting belief definitely. It is essential to understand that that dreams make you move beyond your you can say current reality, and hence you should not ignore it. And as you believe you can say dictate reality that you create by or you can say following your dreams, you can say challenge your old belief, and with that you start creating new beliefs. So therefore you should you can ensure that that make up your mind to dream big in your life. Next is you develop new habits. Definitely, we can develop new habit. So one thing is very you can see here clear that accomplishing our dream require us to evaluate uh, what you can say what should we do and how we do that. So most of the you can say time our current habits fail to support us, and in order to get to where we wish to hence you can say having dream ask you you can say to develop new habits as well as behavior. Uh, so you can say our new habits improve the quality of our life, and we never get off the you can say right path in our life. So that's why it create because it nurture the good habits. And the last is expand one's network. So it I can say two happens as you work hard to accomplish your big dream. So while working on your dream, you face many challenges, and to handle them properly, you require people who can assist you in the right regard, and it leads you to expand your network, and thus you always stay successful in your career. So these are the you can say some very strong reasons that why we should think of dreaming big in our life, and all these reasons you can encourages us to you can say to start dreaming big and enhance the quality of our life. Now let me know whether this statement is true or false. So good, excellent, all of you. So dreaming big helps one develop new habits and improve the quality of life. The statement is true, completely true, and all of you answered perfectly right. Now, is there any question from your side? Any query? Yes, is there any question? Tomorrow there will be a mid-semester, mid-two exam is there, and I think EPC paper is there. Again, I'm repeating syllabus, unit number 1, 2, and 3. So yes, is there any question, doubt from your side? No question, no doubt at all. Very good, excellent. So quiz is not possible because one is assessment is still pending, and that we will see in our next session. Because as I told you, there is a one activity that we will try to do if we can say if it's possible. Definitely we want to do. That's why I haven't taken this topic together. We will do it. So that at that time we will finish this quiz. Now it's time for attendance. Ria, Himangi, Shyam, Kirtan, Krupal, Kunal, Awadh, Nancy, Vaibhav, Kushal, Akanksha, Forum, Dhwani, Jhanvi, Harshit, Mahir, Deep, Parth, Urvashi, Kumar Pal, Rahul, Bhavik, Pooja, Pal, Prithvi, Ruti, Zaki, Sachin, Tinmoy, Milan, Hitesh, Viren, sorry, Ina, sorry, Miran, Milan is absent, Milan Gadia, Hitesh is present, Hitesh, Ina, Chirag, Takadia, Chirag, Vansi, Kamalraj, Astha, Shelby, Astha, Shelby, Kishan, Hiren, Naresh, Munaf, Munaf, Yatish, Mohib Hussain, Krish, Mishi, Kushal, Kushal, Pandya, Pandya, Parth, Karthik, Deep, Urvisha, Mihir, Nirali, Sharad, Rahul, Shreya, Krishna, Milan, Sudhitra, Sunil, Harsh, Yash, Diksha, Zenith, Varun, Stuti, Akshay, Akshay, Dhairya, Akash. I'm repeating students' name, those who are absent. If they mark absent, please let me know. Akshay, Milan, Sudhitra, Yatish, Munaf, Naresh, Shelvi, Thaikishan, Astha, Yatish, you are present. Fine, I'm marking the present. Shelvi, Astha, Thaikishan, Chirag, Hitesh, Mahir, Krupal. These are the absent students. And in my next session, just a second, I am assigning two students. Milan Sojitra is absent. Fine. Sunil and Harsh, both of you are there. So third, 11, 2020. We do not know whether it's third or next week. जब भी होगा next session, you have to prepare today's summary. Okay. So Harsh, Sunil will begin the session. Harsh will end the session. Okay. Am I clear? Sunil will begin the session and Harsh will end the session. Okay, Astha, just a second. Let me see. Astha, yeah, Astha, you are present. Fine, chalo, done, done. So, Krishna, are you ready to end the session? Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
begin.
Today we saw unit number 6, self-development and assessment. Topic we saw thinking. Thinking is important tool of personality development. It can be defined as knowing the prevalence facts and furthering the furthering the ideas. Critical thinking. Thinking about something from various different angles. It is about making informed, enlightened, educated, and open-minded decision. How to evolve critical thinking? There are steps in which we have to evolve critical thinking, restrain emotion, look at things differently, analyze information, ask questions, solve problems, distinguish fact from opinion, seek truth in argument and persuasion. After that, we saw topic communicate. Communicate is lifeblood of every organization. Communication help us to express ideas and feeling and also understand ideas and feelings of other. Communication is key skill that one must acquire. Proficient communication skill, written and oral, gives strong foundation to individual as well as organization. Importance of communication skill. There are steps in which we have to communicate, builds character, important for career development, strong foundation of organization, strengthens professional relationships. We saw relate. Relationship life is about relationship. Everyone is the sum total of all of their relation and thereby forming different identities. One's mental and personal well-being are tied up with the quality of one's relation. One personal reliance is interwoven into the resilience of the communication to which one belongs. Steps to steps for attending to important relation. Take time, be present, express appreciation, listen, learn to communicate, apologize, and forgive. After that, we saw dream. It is thought one is having for one's future, to desire for something very new and essential for one's life. It ensures the high level of excitement to stay focused and on achieving one's goal. Brings positivity with each challenge one faces. There are reasons to dream big. It generates higher level of excitement and anticipation, helps to find ability to deal with various challenges, helps overcome limiting beliefs, develop new habits, expand one network.
So thank you, Krishna, for sharing today's, you can say, today's session in a nutshell. So thank you so much, all of you, and all the best for tomorrow's